Yeah, I'm thinking, yo. I'm thinking, man. I got so much songs, man. I'm gonna put all my songs for sale, man. I got so many songs, man. I think I'm gonna put all my songs for sale, yo. I got like so many songs. I think I'm gonna put all my songs on Google Play for sale. What you say? Anybody? What you say? I think I'm gonna upload all my songs and put it for sale. You know, I got so many songs. I think I should put my song for sale. I think I should put my songs for sale. I got so many songs, so many songs. I think I should put it for sale. I think I should put all my songs for sale. I think I should put all my songs for sale. I got so many songs, so many songs. I should put it all for sale. I should put it on Google Play. Go and search for Young Diamond. Maybe you might see 50 album. Ask me how come like a income. I think I should put all of them for 125, hey, 129, 150. Maybe I should post on myself, yeah, that's me. Maybe I should go and, yeah, that's me. I should put all my songs on Google Play, yeah, make everybody listen to me. Hey, put my whole self out for the world. Maybe I got so many songs, I should put it for sale. I got so many songs, I should put it for sale. I got song about this, song about that, song about bullshit, song about crap, song about guns, song about wood, song about ghetto, song about food, song about this and song about that. I got all type of songs, don't you know that? Hey, I should put all my songs for sale. I got so many songs. I should even put it on Google Play. So go Google my song. Yeah, I got so many songs. I got so many songs. They wanna stop me from singing song. When I got a million songs, tell me how you could stop a song. How you could stop a song. They think my future is to sing song. They think my future is to be a rap star. So they try to stop me, haha. They tried to stop me from singing, but how could they stop me from singing when I had sing a lot of songs already? I've been singing songs from 16, I have a million songs from 16 years old, yeah, you know that's me. How could you stop something I do already? None of them tried to stop me already. None of them tried to stop me and they failed. How could you stop me from something I do? How could you stop me from singing a song? Look, I'm singing a song right now, could you stop it? Could you stop me from singing a song? All you could do is make noise in it. And maybe I'ma still record it again. I'ma still do the song again. I'ma still go to a next place and sing the same song that you tried to stop me from singing. Maybe I should go to a studio. Maybe I should go somewhere. The only thing you could do to stop me from singing songs, make noise in my songs, okay? Maybe I should go in another studio. I should go somewhere else. They wanna stop me because they think my future is to be a rap star. They think I wanna be a rap star. They think I wanna be a singer. They wanna stop me from singing songs, man. I sing 50 million songs already. I'm tired of singing songs. I'm tired of singing songs. I'm tired of singing songs, man. I need a new occupation. Somebody help me. I'm tired of singing songs. Yo, what's up, yo?